Avarana, there are 5 lingas each. Did you identify the lingas? Everybody sitting there? Excellent. Those 5 lingas. What are those 5 lingas? These 5 lingas represent what are called Sadyojata Vamadeva, Aghora, Tatpurusha, Ishana. And these represent the 5 different aspects of the universal conductance, the functionality of the universe. What is the functionality that these have? Sadyojata means evolution, Vamadeva means resolution, Aghora means dissolution, Tatpurusha means redaction, Ishana means remanifestation. These are called Panchakrutyas, 5 functions of the universal awareness. And you are worshipping that 5 functions. And the 5 function is, first is creation, second one is sustenance, protection, third one is dissolution, not destruction, dissolution. Then the next one is redaction. Everything goes back into its original source code. And then remanifestation. In Sanskritam they are called Srushti, Sthiti, Laya. Tarvata? Tirodhana, Anugraha. Those are the 5 you are worshipping. So, are Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, Tirodhana, Sankalpa happening in the universe as only Hindu people? Is it happening only to Hindus? No. It's happening universally, beyond faith, beyond your belief. That's what you are worshipping. Okay. Now, Samaranmaye. చెప్పకపోతే నేను చెప్పుకోవాలి మళ్ళీ అదే అందరూ చెప్పాలి. ఓకే. సమరణ్మయే మహేశాన పరామృత రసప్రియ అనుజ్ఞా దేహిమే శంభో నవమ ఆవరణ అర్చనం. Now everybody together, all of you should worship all the 5 lingas together. Om Sadyojaatam Pravajyami Sadyojataya Namo Namaha Bhave Bhavenati Bhave Bhavasvamam Bhavo Bhavaya Namaha. Paschime Sadyojataya Namaha Vamadevaya Namo Jyesthaya Namah Jyesthaya Namo Rudraya Namah Kalaya Namah Kalavikarnaya Namo Balavikarnaya Namo Balaya Namo Balapramadhanaya Sarvabhutanamanaya Namo Manonmanaya Namaha Mam Vamadevaya Namaha Aghorebhyo Aghorebhyo Sarvebhyo Sarvasarvebhyo Namaste Astu Rudrarupebhyo Dakshine Aghoraya Namaha Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Vam Tatpurushaya Namaha Ishana Sarvavidyanam Brahmadhipatir Brahmanohipatir Brahma Astu Sada Shivo Madhyayam Ishanaya Namaha. Lam Prithvi Tattvatmakaye Gandham Kalpayami. Gandham ve akkada. Ham Akasha Tattvatmakaye Pushpam flower Kalpayami. Flower Kalpayami. Pettu. Om Yam Vayu Tattvatmakaye Dhupamagrapayami. Ram Tejo Tattvatmane Deepam Kalpayami. Now take the fruit and the beetle along with the beetle leaf and the beetle nut. Put it next to the flower. Om Vam Amrita Tattvatmane Amrita Naivedyam Kalpayami. Sam Sarvatmane Samastopacharaan Samarpayami. Pradhana Purvak Namaskaran Samarpayami. Jappandi Abhishta Siddhim Me Dehi Sharanagata Vatsala Bhaktya Niveditam Tubhyam Navama Avarana Archanam. Okay. Dashama Avaranam. Now 10th Avaranam. Saptadik Kshu Ashtavasoon. Ashtavasus. Please come fast. Stronger. What is the
10.1.
Eat more food.
Stronger. You do one at a time. 1 second. Only 10.1 for Soumya and Rajni.
Okay.
So we do one at a time.
Let them sit first and then I will tell them what to do. Seven, you are doing Vatlabettava. Okay. Go here. What did you do? Okay. But they're all sitting, all the 7 are sitting, right?
Yeah, all the 7 couples.
2 people.
2 people. Yeah.
Okay.
Sridhar.
Dashamavarnam,
Sarita.
10th Avaranam. There are Ashtavasus.
Yes.
So Saptadikshu, Ashtavasu. Now start from the east, clockwise. Okay, I will tell you here. Sairama, please sit down.
Sumitra.
Those are the one. Sairam. You worship those 10. Sir, pay attention. These 10. All those 10. Yes. Okay. So how you have to worship is, you have to go from south to north. That means from left to right you have to worship. From left to right you have to worship. Left to right. Okay? Left to right. And then 10. Left to right. So either you go north direction or you go east direction. Okay? Going north. Don't go south. You should not go south. Why you have to do like that? Even when you sleep, you have to put your head on the north and feet towards the south. Not the other way around. That doesn't matter. Wife, husband, right and left. But this is good because you are all following ladies next to each other. That is a good principle. Okay. Sairam. Okay, so the direction, the magnetic field of the earth is going from north to south. That's why you put the arrow towards the north. And then you put the arrow towards the east. So that's the field of travel of energy. So therefore you go with the flow of the energy. Jai Sairam. Dashama Avaranam. Please repeat. Om Samrunmaye. Maheshana. Paramrita. Rasapriya. Anugyam. Dehime. Shambho. Dashama. Avarana. Archanam. Now that couple there, Masairam, you have to first start from left to right. Each linga you have to worship. Om Ganana Angla Ganapati Gammadamahe Kavinkavinam Pavasravastaram Jayashtanayam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashunmannodibhe Shetasadanam Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Vakkavindaya Dhimahi Tanno Dante Prachodayat Om Ganapataye Namaha Ganapati Mavahayami. Next linga Om Klim Greem. Same person. Om Klim Greem Veerabhadra Jaya Swaha Vam Veerabhadramarvahayami. Third linga Om Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Chakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Nandi Prachodayat Nam Nandikeshwaramavahayami. Kshetrasya Padinamayagam Hitene Vajansi Ramastam Poshayitva Sano Nudate Drishe. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Bhem Phat Bham Bhim Hrim Shrim Bham Bhairavaya Namaha Bhairavamavahayami. Fifth ज्योतिर्लिंग नमो अस्तु सर्पेभ्यो एके च पृथिवी मनु ये अंतरिक्षे द्वितेभ्यः सर्पेभ्यो नमः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुखः प्रचोदयात् ओम ह्रीं श्रीं सं सुब्रह्मण्याय वैरिधैर्यञ्चले स्वाहा सं सुब्रह्मण्याय नमः सुब्रह्मण्यावाहयामि जातवेदसे सुरवामसो अवनाति यतो निदहाति वेदः सरः परिषदे दुर्गाणि विश्वा आवेव सिंहन्तरिताच्चग्निः दुर्गायै नमः दुर्गमावाहयामि आयङ्गौ पृष्ठरक्तमेदसनन्मातरं पुनः पितरं च प्रयन्सुनः ॐ क्रीं ह्रूं ह्रूं ह्रीं 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 दक्षिणकालिके क्रीं 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 ह्रूं 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 ह्रीं 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 स्वाहा कं कालीमावाहयामि तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे विद्यावासाय धीमहि तन्नो दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रचोदयात् श्री दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपं शिवमावाहयामि. All these 8 lingas are Vigheshwaram, Veerabhadram, Nandikesham cha Bhairavam, Subramanyam, Tadha Durgam, Mahakalim, Sivatmanam. Iti Pushpanjalihi Adichvarchedam. Okay, now next your linga, sir. Sir, Vibhuti Vetkunara. Time చూసుకోకండి, టైం ఎక్కడికి పోదు. కుంకుమ పెట్టుకొని you just make sure that you are focusing on the puja. Om Dashama Avaranam Dvitiyashtavasun Nagashtav Vasavaha 8 lingas. First linga Om Aim Airavata Namaha Kum Pundarikaya Namaha Vam Vamanaya Namaha Kum Kumudaya Namaha Am Anjanaya Namaha Pum Pushpadantaya Namaha Sam Sarvabhaumaya Namaha Sum Supradikaya Namaha. Airav, these are the Diggajas, Diggaja. These are the ones, the 8 supreme elephants that are protecting the universe. Airavatah Pundariko Vamana Kumudonjanaha Pushpadantas Sarvabhauma Supratikashta Diggagaha. Now, next Yuma, going from your left to right. Okay. Wait a minute, I will tell the puja later. Om Atha Dashamavarnam Trutiyashtavasavaham Om Am Animasiddhye Namaha Animasiddhimavahayami Mam Mahimasiddhye Namaha
Mahimasiddhimavahayami
Gam Garimasiddhye Namaha
Garimasiddhimavahayami
Nam Laghimasiddhye Namaha
Laghimasiddhimavahayami
Pam Praptidesiddhye Namaha
Praptisiddhimavahayami
Pam Prakamyasiddhye Namaha
Prakamyasiddhimavahayami.
వాళ్ళు పూజ చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళది మీది అయిపోయింది పూజ. ఓం హ్రీం ఈశిత్వసిద్ధ్యై నమః
ఈశ్వత్వసిద్ధిమవాహయామి
ఓం వసిత్వసిద్ధ్యై నమః
వసిత్వసిద్ధిమవాహయామి
ఇది సిద్ధిబీజ మంత్రే ఆవాహ్య పూజయేత్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది 8 different beautiful manifestations of the mind when it is totally inside with divinity. Anima Siddhi, Laghima Siddhi, Garima Siddhi, Mahima Siddhi, all these are Siddhis. Siddhi means when the mind completely attains awareness, then you will have the Siddhi. These are Garima Siddhi, means going beyond the 5 elements of the nature. The mind can give you anything it wants when it is with the divine, but don't get carried away by them. Bottom line is you have to go beyond this. Anima Mahima Chaiva Garima Laghima Tatha Pratya Prakanyamishitvam Vasitvanchashta Siddhayaha. Now Nanda. Sai Rama, while I was telling each linga, you have to do puja for each linga. Okay, each linga I will tell. Okay, and you have to go. Om Nam Nandaye Namaha. Nanda Mavahayami. Mam Subhatsum Subhadraye Namaha. Vijayaye Namaha. Cham Chandikaye Namaha. Kam Kalikaye Namaha. Sim Shivaye Namaha. Mam Mahishye Namaha. Nanda Subhadra Vijaya Chandika Kalika Shiva Mahishi Nitya Kalyani Chetyashta Shaktayaha. These are the Ashta Shaktis. 8 శక్తిస్. వరుసగా వేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. అయిపోయిందా? ఆయన విభూతి పెట్టుకున్నాడా? వైఫై సిగ్నలే లేదు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, వైఫై సిగ్నల్ లేదు. ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకున్నారు? విభూతి పెట్టుకోండి సార్. జై సాయిరామ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బ్రాహ్మి మాహేశ్వరి. దీస్ ఆర్ ది అష్టమాతృకాస్. Those are his Ashtamatrikas. Om Am Brahmyai Namaha. Brahmi Maheshwariyai Namaha.
आवाहयामि
ओम लक्ष्म्यै नमः
लक्ष्मीम् आवाहयामि
ॐ कौमार्यै नमः
कौमारीम् आवाहयामि
ॐ वैष्णव्यै नमः
वैष्णवीम् आवाहयामि
ऐं वाराह्यै नमः
वाराहीम् आवाहयामि
ॐ इन्द्राण्यै नमः
इन्द्राणीम् आवाहयामि
ॐ चामुण्डायै नमः
चामुण्डाम् आवाहयामि
दीर्घस्वरबीजैरावाक्य पूजयेत् ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी लक्ष्मी कौमारी वैष्णवी तथा वाराही चैव चेन्द्राणि चामुण्डाष्टमातृकाः वायव्याम्. Now these are the beautiful Marudishi Ashtamurtis. Now these are the manifestation of the wind in different 8 ways that sustain the universe. Om Analayai Namaha.
अनलम् आवाहयामि
Anilayai Namaha.
अनिलम् आवाहयामि
Pratyushaya Namaha.
प्रत्यूषम् आवाहयामि
Prabhasaya Namaha.
प्रभासम् आवाहयामि
Samsomaya Namaha.
सोमम् आवाहयामि
Adharvaya Namaha.
अधर्वम् आवाहयामि
Dhruvam Namaha.
ध्रुवम् आवाहयामि
Adhyo Namaha.
अभ्यम् आवाहयामि
Om Analanil Pratyusha Prabhasa Somamadhvara Dhruvasakhyamashtavasubhit Parikirtitag. Now Dashamam అయిపోయిందా దశమవాభరణం సప్తమం భైరవం ఇక్కడ పది బాటమ్ టు టాప్ ఓం అం అసితాంగ భైరవాయ నమః
सिद्धांग भैरवम् आवाहयामि
ఇం రురు భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
ఓం చండ భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
అరం క్రోధ భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
రం ఉన్మత్త భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
ఏం కపాల భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
ఓం భీషణ భైరవాయ నమః
भैरवम् आवाहयामि
అం సంహార భైరవాయ నమః.
भैरवम् आवाहयामि.
Okay, now everybody do the puja now with gandha pushpa, everybody, all the lingas. Om lam pridhivi tattvatmakaye pridhivyatmakaye gandham kalpayami. Ham akasha tattvatmakaye pushpam kalpayami. Yam vayu tattvatmane dhruvam kalpayami. Ram tejo tattvatmane deepam kalpayami. Now take the tambulam along with the fruit and then put it in front. Om, front means in the back, wherever there is space. Om Vam Amrita Tattvatmane Amritam Kalpayami Sam Sarva Tattvatmane Samastopacharan Samarpayami Pradhanancha Karishye. Please repeat. Abhishta Siddhimme Dehi Sharanagata Vatsala Bhaktya Niveditam Tubhyam Dashama Avarana Archanam. Okay. Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. Please get up. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Shrimate Namaha. Please pick it up. Please pick that up. Somebody spilled all of us. Okay, don't take them up, please. Yeah. Just put it in trash. Another. What are you doing?
Number 11.
Oh. Okay, fine. Rai Magar said I can't say nothing. Please. Okay, Ekadash Avaranam are 9 lingas. One couple. Who is the couple? Couple. ఎక్కడ ఏడి క్యాండిడేట్ లెమ్మని బాబు ఆయనరా విభూతి పెట్టుకో ఫస్ట్ తెలుగా 11 నెంబర్ 11 ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ తీసుకో సరే విభూతి పెట్టుకోవాలి కుంకుమ పెట్టుకోవాలి అవన్నీ ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు ఒకటే కదా. Yeah, you have found the 11. Okay, you go from your left to right. You have to do puja for each linga. Sit down properly, happily. Yeah, andakapothe 5 clear. Please, these are the Ekadasha. Oh, sorry. This is the Ekadash Avaranam Navagrahas. The 9 planets are getting worshipped. Samrunmaye, Maheshana, Paramrita, Rasapriya, Anugyam, Dehime, Shambho, Ekadasha, Avarana, Archana. Sorry, hey, Chandra, come here. Get one more wallet. Ravindra, lay. Malinyam, all of this you take out so that we will do the Abhishekam. Okay, you work on that quietly. Okay. Om Asatyanar. Okay, first lingam you have to do. Asatyanar Savartamano Nivesanna Vartancha Virancha Hiranyayana Savitaradhena Devo Yati Bhuna Vipasyanna Ravaye Namaha Ravimavahayami. Second linga. Apyaya Svasamedate Vishwadasam Krishniyam Bhavamajasya Sangadhe Chandragrahaya Namaha Chandragrahamavahayami Agnir Mordhadivat Kakut Padip Pradhivya Ayam Apagum Rejagum Sijinvati Angarakagrahaya Namaha Angarakagrahamavahayami
Budbhudyasvagne Pratijagrisena Mishta Purne Sagumsradetha Mahincha Punah Karnabdusvagatanam Yuvanam Anvadagum Setvaitam Tumedam
Budhagrahaya Namaha Budhagrahamavahayami Brihaspataya
Jumad Vibhati Kartamanjanesho Yedechavasatta Prajadasmad Indravanthe Jatram Burhaspati Graham Avahayami Parasham Avahayami
Shukrante Anyajjante Anyadevishurube Hari Jaurvasi Vishwahivaya Avasisvadhavaha Bhadrane Pushantiharati Shukragrahaya Namaha Shukragrahamavahayami Shaneishwaraya Namaha Shaneishwaragrahamavahayami Kayana Chitta Abhodhutisavadhasakha Kaya Vrtaha Rahugrahaya Namaha Om Ketan Rangana Ketane Pesavadya Peshe Ketugrahaya Namaha Ketugrahamavahayami Atha Panchopachara Gandham Pushpavanni Pettar Om Lam Prithvi Tattvatmakaye Gandham Kalpayami Ham Akasha Tattvatmane Pushpam Kalpayami Yam Vayvyatmane Dhupam Kalpayami Ram Ajnatmane Deepam Kalpayami Vam Amrutatmane Tambulam Niskari Tambulam Amruta Phala Sahita Tambulam Samarpayami Sam Sarvatattvatmane Samastopacharaan Samarpayami Namityadi Sampujya Yatha Shakti Pradhanam Chakarishye. Please repeat. Abhishta Siddhimme Dehi Sharanagata Vatsala Bhaktya Niveditau Tubhyam Ekadasha Avarana Archanam. Okay, please get up. Dvadashavarnam. Dvadashavarnam. Who is coming down? Dvadashavarnam. There are 7 lingas each. So 4 couples have to come forward. Please make sure husband has Wi-Fi signal. Wi-Fi signal. Ante artham kaleda?
Suchitra garu. Okay, Prabhu garu. Ganesh Mati.
We require 4 couples.
Surendra Nandya garu.
This is the most incredible thing about this worship. Satyasai untunnaa ఎవరైనా అడిగితే అన్నీ చెప్పాలి ఇవన్నీ మా నవ అష్టం హాయ్ రామ్ వైఫై సిగ్నల్ ట్రైన్ టు ఇండియా తమిళ తెలుగు
ఒకరికి ట్రై
ఏంటి అంత కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎక్కడొకరు కూర్చోబెట్టరు బాబు. You identify where the number 12 is there. Where is number 12? Ma చూసుకోండి 12 ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. So there is one 12 here, there should be another 12 there. 12 బాటమ్ నుంచి టాప్కి వెళ్ళాలి. హలో సాయిరామ్ వైఫై సిగ్నల్. హలో ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ వైఫై సిగ్నల్ అట్లా పెట్టుకుంటే కాదు, ఇట్లా అనుకొని ఇట్లా పెట్టుకొని ఇట్లా అనాలి. ఆల్ 4 lines హ్యావ్ టు అపియర్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఫుల్ సిగ్నల్. యా వాడికి కూడా పెట్టు, జుట్టు పైకి లాగితే విభూతి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. వాడి జుట్టు పైకి ప్రతి వాడికి జుట్టు మొహం కనపడుతుంది. దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు షో దేర్ ఫేస్, సో దే కవర్ ఇట్ విత్ హెయిర్. ఆల్ దీస్ యంగ్ కిడ్స్ నో యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిఫ్ట్ దేర్ హెయిర్ అండ్ దెన్ పుట్ వైఫై సిగ్నల్. Yeah. I don't know why they have a problem with showing their faces. I really want to, I don't want to show, but my hair is gone. Bald head is a bold head. They'll show their face. Okay. Now, Saptalingas. There are 4 of 7 lingas each. Please listen to carefully. So, this gentleman here, Suchitra's husband, apparently, Raghu. Okay. You are worshipping the 7 rivers you are worshipping. And you have to go from left to right. Sir, you are worshipping 7 mountains. Oh, sorry, they are worshipping 7 mountains. You are worshipping 7 rivers. You are worshipping 7 oceans.
Oceans.
How many oceans are there? Very good. He's very sharp. Immediately he said 5. Know the names of them? Give him a hand. Very good. Now you are worshipping 7 oceans. Where are the other 2? Fantastic. Yeah. But there are 2. Where is Vishnu reclining? You don't know. He's very honest. He said, I don't know. He's Swami student, you know that. Why does that matter? No. Why does that matter? Oh, that's why. So only Swami students are honest, rest of us are not. Yeah, so don't get carried away by symbolism and identification and all of that stuff. Nobody comes with a mudra. Anybody who is sincere in their heart is Swami student. That's it. If you qualify for that, call yourself that. Be happy. Don't label people. Oh, Shekharji is a priest. What nonsense is that? Shekharji is not a priest. Shekharji is just doing service. That's all it matters. Yes. So, please don't take my comment seriously, right? The moment you create that, then you create an expectation about that person. Therefore, they should be like that. Therefore, this. Therefore, that. The whole purpose of life is to unite and to merge without identity. Every river will go into the ocean without identity. There is no identity. I am a Sai devotee. Identity. Erase it. I am this devotee. I am that devotee. I am Shivite. I am Shaktite. I am Ganapatya. I am worship of Surya. I am this. I am that. You are identified. I is identified. That means somebody put a dent on you. Swami student, a dent. First thing you have to say, no, I am not going to get identified. Brother, you understand what I am saying? He completely understands. Yes. So, now don't create such labels on people. Don't create a label about yourself also. If somebody says, are you a priest? I say, no, I am not a priest. Yes, I am a priest. Are you a biochemist? No, that is just, I am telling this to you very important. Swami came in front of me. He asked me, who are you? I said, I am Shekhar. Slapped. He said, you are not Shekhar. That is a name given to you. That is a label given to you. Do not say, I am Shekhar. You have to say, Swami, my name is Shekhar. My name is Shekhar. I am not Shekhar. My name is Shekhar. It's a name given to you to be identified in this world. Next question. Who are you? I am a doctor. No, you are not a doctor. Doctor is the work you do. Who are you? I am mother. No, you are not mother. Mother is a duty, job, responsibility given to you. Then who are you? They are all identification associated with your name, with your form, with your function. You are not the name, form, or the function. They are labels, identities given to you. That is the essence of. Yeah. So maybe, Sai Ram brother, thank you. So that's the reason. Sorry, I got into this. It's not to hurt that brother or to praise you or hurt you. We are going beyond this. I am not a Hindu, I am not a Muslim, I am not a Christian, I am not all of this. I belong to Sai, same as I, so am I, through service, adoration, illumination. What is Puttaparthi? It is not a place. Puttaparthi is put apart I. Ego identification is set aside. Then you are in the abode of peace. It is called Prashanti Nilayam. Sai Ram. Vishnu 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 Idam Vishnur Vichakrame Tredhandade Padam Samudamasya Padam Sure. So where is Vishnu reclining? That's where we stop. Yeah, he said he doesn't know. Vishnu is reclining, so-called Kshira Sagara. Therefore, that is one of the oceans. And that is associated with the purity of our conscience. So therefore, Vishnu is located in Vaikuntha on Kshira Sagara. Pure consciousness, he is reclining on the snake coil, which is associated with all the 72,000 nadis associated with you. And this pure consciousness, the Vishnu, the all-pervading one, is reclining, is associated with purity of conscience. And that purity of conscience is Kshira Sagara. Then there is another Sagara called Kshara Sagara. Kshira, Kshara. Kshara means salt. Kshira is milk. That which is churned is Kshira. That which is the residue is the Kshara. So therefore, these are the 7 oceans that we are worshipping. So this brother is worshipping 1, 2, 3. 3 is the Sapta Rishis. Then there is Sapta Sagaras, 7 oceans. Those are the 7 each. That's what we are worshipping. So the first one is Parvatas, 7 Parvatas. Everybody say please the prayer. Sabrudmaye, Pareshana, Paramrita, Rasapriya, Anujna, Dehime, Shambho, Dvadasha, Avarana, Archanam. प्रथमे गणेश नागांतरित सप्तपर्वताः पर्वत इवा प्रजाभिः
इंद्रेव यः ध्रुवस्थिष्ठा यः राष्ट्रमुधारय अभिजिष्टवर्धन्यतः अधरे सन्दशत्रवः इंद्रेव वृत्रहादिष्ठा अभाक्षेत्राणि सञ्चरन् इन्द्रयेन मदीधरतो ध्रुवं ध्रुवेण हविषा
तस्मै देवा अधिब्रुवन् आयञ्च ब्रह्मणस्पतिः. From the bottom to the top, Suchitra, please ma. Himavate namaha, Himavantamavahayami, Nimnishadhaye namaha,
Nishaparvatamavahayami,
Vimvidhyaya namaha,
Vidhyaparvatamavahayami,
Mam Malyavate namaha,
Malyavatiparvatamavahayami,
Mam Pariyatrakaya namaha,
Pariyatrakaparvatamavahayami,
Gandhamadhanaya namaha,
Gandhamadhanaparvatamavahayami,
Hemakutaya namaha.
Hemakotaparvatamavahayami.
Those are the 7 Parvatas. Now that you know the names. Himavantam is the first one. Nishadham, Vindhyam, Malyavantam, Pariyatrakam, Gandhamadhanam and Hemakutam. Those are the 7 Parvatas that are protecting the universe. Now the 7 Nadis, the 7 rivers, holy rivers. Om Gam Gangaya Namaha,
Gangamavahayami,
Yam Yamunaya Namaha,
Yamunamavahayami,
Yamunamavahayami, Gom Godavariyai Namaha,
Godavarimavahayami,
Sam Saraswatyai Namaha,
Saraswatimavahayami,
Nam Narmadaya Namaha,
Narmadamavahayami,
Sim Sindhave Namaha,
Sindhumavahayami,
Kam Kaveryai Namaha.
Kaverimavahayami.
This is the common mantra, all of you know. Gange Chayamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Narmade Sindhu Kaveryo Saptaita Nadi Matrukah. When we worship, we say that. Now those are the Matrukas, the 5 mother rivers. Now the 7 rishis, the 7 seers, from bottom to the top. Let's brother worship the first one. Oceans are Sapta Rishaya. Oceans are that side. Sapta Rishaya. The 7 rishis. Kashyabas sarva lokadhya sarva shastrardhako vidaha atma yoga balenaiva srushti stityantakarakaha kam kashyapaya namaha. अग्निहोत्ररतं शान्तं सदा व्रतपरायणं सत्कर्मनिरतं शान्तमच्चयेदत्रिमव्ययम्
ऋषिमावाहयामि
जटिलं तपस्सा सिद्धं यज्ञसूत्राक्षधारिणं कमण्डलधरं नित्यं भरद्वाजं नतोऽस्म्यहम्
ऋषिमावाहयामि
भरद्वाजाय नमः भरद्वाजमावाहयामि कृष्णाजनधरं देवं सदण्डपरिधानकं धर्मपाणिं जटाजूटं विश्वामित्रं सनातनं विश्वामित्राय नमः
ऋषिमावाहयामि
योगाढ्य सर्वभूतानाम् अन्नदानरतः सदा अहल्यायाः पतिश्रीमन् गौतमः सर्वपावनः गं गौतमाय नमः
ऋषिमावाहयामि
अक्षसोत्रधरं देवं ऋषीणाम् अधिपं प्रभुं दर्भपाणिं जटाजूटं महातेजस्विनं भजे जं जमदग्नये नमः
ऋषिमावाहयामि
शिवध्यानरतं शान्तं त्रिदशैरभिपूजितं ब्रह्मसूनं महात्मानं वसिष्ठं पूजयेत् सदा वं वसिष्ठाय नमः
ऋषिमावाहयामि
So the seven rishis, the great sage, the seers that are responsible for the universal awareness to be spread, and they are present all the time. Sapta rishis are coming every Mahakalpas, they are there. Who are they? Kashyapa, Atri, Bharadwaja, Vishwamitra, Gautama, Jamadagni, Vasishtha. So we are grateful to them for giving us this awareness of the universe. Jai Sai Ram. Next person is doing the
oceans.
Oshadhis. Okay. He got into oceans, but deep ocean devotion. That's why he got into that. Now the oceans are worshipped now. Om Lam Lavana Samudraya Namaha. Im Ikshu Samudraya Namaha. Sum Sura Samudraya Namaha. Sam Sarpi Samudraya Namaha. Dam Dadhi Samudraya Namaha. Kshim Kshera Samudraya Namaha. Shum Shuddhodaka Samudraya Namaha. लवण इक्षु सुरारी लवणेक्षु सुरासर्पी दधि क्षीरोदकार्नवाघ शुद्धोदकाश्च समुद्राश्च सप्तैतेति जलार्नवाघ. Please do namaskaram. एते पर्वतेभ्यो नदीभ्यो ऋषिभ्यो सागरेभ्यो नमः. Please worship with lam गंधम समर्पयामि. लं पृथिव्यात्मने गंधम समर्पयामि. हम आकाशात्मने पुष्पं समर्पयामि. यं वायव्यात्मने धूपं समर्पयामि. रम अग्न्यात्मने दीपं समर्पयामि. वम अमृतात्मने. Take the fruit and the beaten nut and offer it there. तांबूलपूर्वक नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि. अथ प्रार्थनाञ्च करिष्ये. नमस्कारम्. अभीष्टसिद्धिं मे देहि शरणागत वत्सल भक्त्या निवेदितं तुभ्यं द्वादश आवरण अर्चनम्. Okay, now please get up. One family should come to worship the Shat Taraka Lingas. Shat Tarakas,